Now let us get into the other treatment options and precautions. See, there is not only one medicine or one system of medicine which will cure everything. There is certain combinations that you need to mix when you're treating certain diseases. Certain diseases need a combination of medications. So if you're someone who is suffering from dysmenorrhea, it can be primary, it can be secondary. There are some precautions that you need to do, and there are some other treatments that you can take. The primary one being massages or relaxation techniques or reflexology. You can go to a spa where they will be pressing certain centers on the foot or on the hand, where it will give you pain relief. Okay, so reflexology or massages can really help you. Apart from that, you can also take acupuncture, which will also decrease the pain scale. So if you're someone who is looking for relaxation during the high period pain, you can do a combination of homeopathy along with reflexology, massage, and also acupuncture, so that you will get the best of both worlds. Apart from it, you can have heat therapy, that you can fill up the bag, as you can see here, have a heating pad with hot water in it. You can put it in the hypogastric region or on your thighs or on the back. Or if you're someone who wants cold things, you can put on cold water in the bag and then put it on your hypogastric region, thighs, or your back. It will also help in relieving pain. Apart from this, what else can you do is that you can do dietary changes. So you can have a little bit more of magnesium, so that it will help in these cramps. Where do this or how will you consume magnesium is that magnesium is found in nuts and seeds. You can take a good amount of flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds, sesame seeds, cashews, and almonds every day in smaller quantities to decrease the pain. And also, apart from that, you can take transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation. That is a therapy. They will be giving you small amount of electrical bouts. It is a form of treatment. But what we advise is heat therapy. We are advising you with relaxation techniques, that is reflexology, massages, and we will also advise you with certain workouts, that is stretches, especially to relieve the pain. Okay. And then acupuncture, if it is like very severe, we will advise acupuncture, but it is not something that a homeophysician can advise. You have to consult another doctor for that. But acupuncture can also help, and also TENS. So these are certain precautions and certain other treatments that you can do if you're experiencing dysmenorrhea. Now coming into the neglect part. See, if you're someone who's suffering from primary dysmenorrhea, you have to take medications every month, right? If the medication is homeopathic and it does not have side effect, that is nothing much to worry. It will slowly come down and you will be healthy again. But if you're someone who is suffering from secondary dysmenorrhea, it is very, very important for you to take doctor consultation, because there can be some underlying problem in your female reproductive system. So if there is any problem in the female reproductive system and the tumor is growing large, or there is endometriosis, or there is adenomyosis, can progress into a stage where you cannot treat. So if you are experiencing secondary dysmenorrhea symptoms, do take doctor consultation as soon as possible. And also, if you're suffering from primary dysmenorrhea, if you neglect it, what happens? You have to take leave compulsory if you're experiencing severe pain. If you're having some big project, what would you do? You can't take leave then, right? So try to choose medication which will decrease the pain, which will not have side effects. So do not neglect any form of painful menstruation. If you are experiencing changes in pain pattern, changes in the flow pattern, do consult a doctor as soon as possible to maintain good work-life balance, either in primary dysmenorrhea or in secondary dysmenorrhea, and also to decrease your pain, to decrease, to have a healthy lifestyle. Please for a doctor consultation, and also take medications for your problem, because to be healthy is the primary goal, to live longer and to be healthy. So do not neglect your painful menstruation. If you're someone who is experiencing pain during every menstruation and you want to decrease it, that is primary dysmenorrhea. And if you're someone who is experiencing pain along with other abnormalities in your flow, that is secondary dysmenorrhea, and you would like to get in contact with us, we have two kinds of consultation options. One is the online consultation, the second one is the offline consultation. If you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. If you're someone who is staying far away from us, you can contact us online. We have two options, that is audio consultation as well as video consultation. After the audio and video consultation, if we think you are suffering from secondary dysmenorrhea, we will ask you for investigations, or if you have already done investigations, you can send it to us. And after the doctor consultation and after the whole process is done, your medicines will be delivered to your doorstep. That is, home delivery option is available. where if you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying anywhere else, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicine to reach your doorstep. If you want to consult us, you can call us on this number. You can WhatsApp us, you can message us, or you can call us. If you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. So if you're someone who is experiencing painful menstruation and you do not know what kind of painful menstruation it is, that is primary or secondary, or if you're someone who's experiencing pain in every menstruation and you would like to get rid of the pain to have a better work-life balance, or if you're someone who is experiencing pain along with the abnormalities, that is female reproductive problems, you can contact us. And also, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we have three principles. One is the highest success rate. See, we are already experiencing a rush of patients who are approaching us for different female reproductive problems, and the success rate is really high. It is good. And also, there is transparency in treatment. That is, that there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Any sort of prognosis that you should be knowing, we will be letting you know. And also the personal care here at Fidicus. If you have any sort of myths, or if you have any sort of queries regarding your own problem, we will be educating you. And not only that, we will educate you in all aspects of your problem. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose a better life, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.